Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to partially hide your Snapchat score. Why do I say partially? Well, because you cannot hide your Snapchat score entirely. You can hide it though from almost anyone who isn't, well, not almost anyone, basically anyone who isn't in your friends list. So, to do this, just open up your settings, go to the bottom, click contact me and select my friends, and this will basically hide your Snapchat score from anyone who isn't your friend. I know that probably most of you just want to hide your Snapchat score, tongue twister, from someone that sits in your friend list because you want to hide your activity. Well, bad news for you. You can't. The only way to do that is basically to create a new account or just remove that person from your current friend list so they cannot monitor your Snap score. So that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.